In this video, I will show you how to check recycle bin storage in Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to search bar and search for disk cleanup. And from here, you need to select your drive. For me, it's C and OS. I'm clicking on OK. And from here, scroll it down and you will see an option called recycle bin. And for me, it's 0 byte. So my recycle bin is now fully cleared. If you have anything or any file in your recycle bin, it will show the size here. So that's it. That's how you can easily check the storage, how much storage your recycle bin took in Windows 11. I hope this video helped you guys. If yes, then do like this video, comment down below your problem, and see you in the next video.